you excited to see this classic coaster renamed the Incredicoaster?
It should be called the Death Blaster Monster.
Oh, I like the Incredicoaster.
Sure, slap our names on an old ride.
Quite normal, darling. Corporations call it synergy. I trust you are all insured.
What's the logo? Be sure to take off your backpack and place it at your feet. Secure all loose items in the storage pouch. Once seated, be sure to lower the restraints snugly to your shoulder. Get ready for an incredible ride! Using their powers. And though they had to live in secret, the Incredibles never stopped fighting evil. What? Jack!
One question.
Welcome to the Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. For your safety, make sure you pull down on the shoulder restraint so it locks in place. Keep your head firmly.
Edna, keep your eye on Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Dash, go get him.
Hey, back, face forward, hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Hey, no laser stretches!
Dash, did you get him?
He just disappeared.
The baby has teleported to the next tunnel.
Got it.
Hey, sweetie, come to mommy. No, don't go gooey. Oh, Jack.
He's gone.
Seriously? Whoa, he set the tunnel on fire.
Violet, use your force field.
Go get him. No! Jack! Violet!
Just relax, everything's cool.
Now he's multiplying.
That's awesome.
Jack!
Sorry that got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable. Yeah, Mom. Super babies.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete